The Tata Tiago has quietly established itself as one of the most sensible hatchbacks in the Indian market. It offers a combination of solid build quality, contemporary features, impressive ride comfort, and multiple powertrain options, all at a relatively accessible price point. But in a segment that includes strong rivals like the Maruti Suzuki Swift and the Hyundai Grande 10 Nios, does the Tiago still manage to stand out in 2026? Well, in this video, let's take a closer look at the best and worst bits of Tata's popular hatchback, best bits design and road presence. One of the Tiago's biggest strengths continues to be its design. Unlike many entry-level hatchbacks that tend to look overly basic, the Tiago has a mature, well-proportioned and genuinely premium-looking design. The sharp projector headlamps, signature front grille, blacked-out detailing and dual-tone alloy wheels on higher variants give the car a distinctly upmarket feel. Even after several years in the market, the Tiago still looks modern, stylish and attractive on Indian roads. What also works in its favor is the stance. The car feels planted, substantial, and surprisingly mature for a hatchback in this segment. And honestly, that added road presence makes a big difference. Build, quality, and safety. Now, this is where the Tiago genuinely stands out. The car has always enjoyed a reputation for solid build quality, and you can actually feel that robustness the moment you step inside. The doors feel heavy and reassuring. The structure feels solid, and overall, the car gives you a strong sense of durability. For first-time buyers, family buyers, and even daily commuters, that feeling of confidence behind the wheel is extremely important. And in today's market, where safety awareness is growing rapidly, the Tiago's strong safety reputation remains one of its biggest selling points. Ride comfort and suspension. Another area where the Tiago impresses is ride quality. The suspension setup feels exceptionally well tuned for Indian road conditions. Whether you are dealing with potholes, broken surfaces, speed breakers, or uneven patches, the Tiago absorbs imperfections in a composed and comfortable manner. At city speeds, the ride feels soft and comfortable. And even at highway speeds, the car manages to feel stable, controlled, and confidence inspiring. For everyday commuting, this balance works really well.
Before moving forward, let's talk about Boodmo, the one-stop solution for all your car spare part needs. Available on both iOS and Android devices, it now offers you an AI product recognition feature where you just click a photo of the spare part required, and then further you can go ahead and click a photo of your car's number plate to locate the exact make and model of the car spare part that you're actually looking for. The app UI is extremely smooth, and this makes your car spare part ordering journey extremely easy and seamless. Go ahead and download the Boodmo app on both iOS and Android devices.
Cabin experience and features. Step inside the Tiago, and you immediately notice that Tata has made a visible effort to improve the overall cabin experience over the years. The dashboard design feels modern, the layered styling adds visual character, and the cabin no longer feels bare or outdated. Higher variants come loaded with features like a touchscreen, infotainment system, wireless smartphone connectivity, automatic climate control, a digital instrument display, connected car technology, steering mounted controls. And yes, the Harman audio system deserves special mention. For a hatchback in this price range, the sound quality is genuinely impressive. Overall, the Tiago feels modern, well-equipped, and premium enough for most buyers today. CNG practicality. Now let's talk about practicality. The availability of a factory-fitted CNG option makes the Tiago even more relevant in today's market. With rising fuel prices, buyers are naturally looking for low running costs. And this is exactly where the Tiago CNG makes a strong case for itself. The transition between petrol and CNG modes feels fairly seamless, and the overall drivability remains smooth and user-friendly. So if you have high daily running, the Tiago CNG can genuinely be a smart, economical, and practical option. Worst bits, engine performance lacks excitement. Now, while the 1.2-liter petrol engine is smooth and refined enough for regular city driving, it is not particularly exciting. Performance feels perfectly adequate in urban conditions, but once you start pushing harder, especially during highway overtakes, quick acceleration, or full load driving, the engine begins to feel slightly strained. There is enough power for everyday use, but enthusiastic drivers may definitely want a little more punch, responsiveness, and outright performance. AMT gearbox could be better. The AMT automatic option certainly improves convenience in heavy traffic conditions, but unfortunately, it still carries the typical limitations of an AMT gearbox. Gear shifts can feel slow at times, and during sudden acceleration, you do notice that characteristic head nod movement. Compared to smoother gearboxes like CVTs or torque converters, the Tiago's AMT simply does not feel as refined. For relaxed city driving, it works fine, but buyers expecting a truly smooth automatic experience may notice these shortcomings quite quickly. Rear seat space. Although the Tiago offers good comfort for front passengers, rear seat space is not exactly class leading. Knee room, shoulder room, and overall cabin width can feel slightly restrictive for taller passengers. And if you're planning long journeys with three adults seated at the rear, comfort levels may start to become an issue. For small families, it remains practical enough. But buyers prioritizing maximum rear seat comfort may want to consider slightly larger alternatives. NVH levels at highway speeds. At city speeds, cabin insulation feels reasonably acceptable. However, once you move towards higher highway speeds, engine noise, tire noise, and even some wind noise become more noticeable inside the cabin. Now, this is not a major deal breaker, but compared to more premium hatchbacks, the Tiago could certainly benefit from better overall refinement and insulation. Verdict: the Tata Tiago continues to be one of the most well rounded hatchbacks in its segment. It may not be the most powerful car, and it may not be the most spacious option either, but where the Tiago really delivers is in the areas that matter most to Indian buyers: safety, comfort, practicality, and value for money. So, if you are looking for a dependable city hatchback with strong build quality, comfortable ride characteristics, modern features, and affordable running costs, the Tiago still remains a very compelling package in 2026. But now the big question is, would you pick the Tiago over rivals like the Maruti Suzuki Swift and the Hyundai Grandi 10 Nios? Let us know in the comments below.